Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the lovely Hannah and she's coming today for a fresh set. So she had literally ripped her nails off as she was walking through my door. So the ring finger on this one was a little bit damaged. Well, it was damaged. She's always like that. She's always done that, no matter what I say. So what can you do? What can you do except advise and say don't do that? I might start not prepping the nails properly and not priming them so that they just pull off easier. Anyway, so here I'm applying my tips. So these are my tips that I've brought out. They are slightly tapered. My slightly tapered tips. So the smile line on these is quite deep for some. So for somebody that's got, that bites their nails or they've got small nail beds, all you're gonna have to do is you can just nip off the wings with some scissors or clippers, whatever. Or what I did, because hers wasn't that bad, I just filed each side of the wing, and it just helped it stick better. So yeah, that's all you have to do really, but you can nip them off. If you've got somebody that's really bad, I would just nip them straight off. So now I applied my clear layer and we're going straight in with design. So here I'm using Birthday Suit from CJP, and I'm just going to apply a full nail of that on this nail. I'm also going to do that on the pointer finger too. So yeah, we just capped them. So now this ring finger is going to be a glitter fade. The brush that I'm using is my brush size 12. I think, which is really odd because I do quite like a big brush, but I've got a size 12 and a size 10, and I do, I go for the size 10, which is odd. But anyway, so this glitter is called Pink Princess, or is it Pink Passion? Don't hold me to that, it's one of them. I think it might be Pink Passion because it was such a, not an odd colour, I wouldn't say that, but it's such a colour, I couldn't match it with anything because it's got like purple tones to it, but it's pink. It was, yeah, we loved it, it's gorgeous, but like I just couldn't find a colour that matched with it. I just didn't have the pink colour like that. So I wanted, so on the middle finger it was just a full glitter nail, and usually what I like to do is put like a base colour down of a coloured acrylic that's, literally identical to the glitter that I'm using, but I had nothing, so I had to go straight in with the glitter, which is not my style. It's not what I like to do, especially with a chunkier kind of glitter, because it's just harder. But anyway, what you do is you just get your cuticle done and out of the way, and then you can just concentrate on the rest. But with chunkier glitters, it is always best to put a base colour down, but like I said, could not find one for love nor money. Maybe that's just a sign that I need to buy some more. I don't know. So yeah, just a full glitter nail on this finger. So the thumb, we're just going to do the same as the ring finger, so a simple glitter fade. If in doubt, fade it out. Can you hear Merlin? Because I'm laughing, he's doing silly. Merlin! No. So then once you're done, you're going to go in and you're going to cap all the nails. Always do that when your glitter is set and the acrylic has dried, because otherwise you're going to be pulling your glitter off the nail. You're going to be moving to places that you don't want it. So yeah, always leave it to set slightly. So I'm going to cap all the glitter nails now. So now I'm going to come in with my hand file and I'm just going to perfect the shape slightly, and then I'm going to come in with my Efile and my flat top carbide bit and just debulk and flatten out that cuticle area. and smooth everything over. I'll then reshape again, I buff, and then we are ready for top coat. So now we're coming in with the Gel Bottling Extreme Shine Top Gloss, and I'm just going to apply a thin layer of that over all her nails. Shook her in my LED lamp for around 60 seconds. I applied NAFF Stuff Cuticle Oil in Watermelon, and we are good to go. So we love this. We love these nails. We love the glitters. I did these like beginning of last week. And I'm only just now doing the voiceover, and I did see her the other day and they are still looking fabulous. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.